Howdy, welcome to the Swiss Alps. Let's zoom out a bit in order to give you a picture. Swiss Alps, and I'm not sure, but I probably already made a video about a quake in the same region. We have Büttlasse here and Gspaltenhorn here. And here we have 3 quakes. 2 hours ago, 1.3. 18 hours ago, 15 or 1.5. And 16 hours ago, 0.7. And I probably made about this one a video, this 0.7. But there is something going on since 2 hours ago. There has been another quake. And I was anyway already on Google Earth checking this region out, so I thought I'd just make a video out of it. So we have to figure out where exactly they were, those quakes. It goes down around the bend, and there is this shadowy thing. Somewhere here. Yeah, the quality of the picture isn't that good, but it seems that there, at this place here, if there would be no ice or snow, there would be a lake, probably. And if you watch at the edge of this structure, it has... You don't have to watch. Check this out. Whoa! I was talking about a caldera-like shape, and there is a circle on top of this layering structure. Very interesting. Yeah, it's here. There might be even 2 of those. And the quake is just beside it. Now let's go back to Google Earth. And there could be many more of these kind of things buried under the ice. Maybe that's the quake situation or position around this thing here. Whatever it is. A mountain well where all the water is coming from. The water is coming from the mountains. Everybody knows that. And I say it's pouring out of the ground. This looks very interesting. Is this a cryptodome? Crypto gaze which means it erupts with water. And if the eruption is strong enough, there will be coming out more than just water, sediments, and they get anyway in movement through the water itself. And those wells in the mountains, they are fed from below. Let's search quickly for some lake. Here's a lake. What a find. Triftsee, maybe. I think the color, this turquoise, is through gypsum. And here we have a glacier, obviously. And the water is coming from underneath the glacier. And the glacier continues up here. This seems to be a bigger one. Something happened. Yeah, and if you watch at that, if I would show you just this picture and would tell you this is from Kamchatka, one of those many volcanoes there in Siberia, you probably would believe it, because it has a caldera-like shape. And the glacier, there has been some action going on here. A piece fell off or something. Maybe that's just sediments. This looks more like sediments. Which would mean this would be sediments. Sediments. And this one is ice. Which would mean, on the other hand, if it's so, that there would be some eruptive material pouring out of the mountain every now and then, besides just the flow of ice called glacier. Maybe it might be just ice, I don't know. Hard to say. In a way, it looks more to me as it would be sediments, but that's just a satellite picture. It might be also icefall, but it has a different color, so it seems to be much younger. There's actually even a waterfall beside that. That's very interesting. For once, we have very good quality, which is very nice. There's a small lake up here, check it out. From where the water is coming. Driftgletsjersee. It has even a name. Let's check out the other side. Belvedere Rhone Glacier. Is this where Rhone starts? Obergoms. Yeah, might be. Rhone is also a very important river in Europe. Might be drying out at the moment as well. In Goms, here we have Obergoms. There has been some big floodings some time ago. Some years. Maybe this is the start of the Rhone River. So there's the glacier in a way ending in a lake. And here we have tetrahedrons. At least they look like that. I'm not exactly sure. I think this is rock. Do we get any pictures from that place? Why did they disappear when I go closer? Sediments at the edge. Here we have water flowing out. Yeah, these are rocks. That's rock. This might be ice. Very nice picture. Would be very cool to make it there by myself and take a few pictures. How they disappear, all the pictures I tried to click on? This we had already. That's not too interesting. Now let's go back to the ice cave here on the other side. Where was it? Here. There must be some picture of that. Drift Glacier. Yeah, I'm saying glaciers are contemporary lava streams made out of water. This is what I think. There's a bridge. Someone sitting and not too. That's a little bit frustrating. That's the same again. I leave it here. There's something going on in the Alps. And we have a waterfall, a glacier, and possible sedimentary eruptive material. These are all eruptive materials. Water in liquid form, water in form of ice, and this kind of gravel sediments where water quite likely was included too in the event of eruption. Or it's just molten ice which broke up off down from here. But I don't know. Hard to say. Maybe it's just a shadow which makes it look like there would have been something falling off, but I guess this would have been melted away. And it looks to me more than as rock than ice or snow. There's like boulders in there and stuff. There's a crack. Yeah, maybe someone should check it out. Yeah, that's all very interesting. Waterfall and the lake. I think I'll leave it here. Thanks. Bye.